Look at that thing.
Oh my God. That's
It's like
awesome.
Chucky.
That's worse than Crandon.
Oh, yuck. What's up, guys? Today we're in Iron River, Michigan. Currently in the Iron River. Today we wanted to come up here and see what's in this little river that runs all the way through town. We're at the north side of town. Gonna float down to the American Inn Hotel where we stayed last night. See what mysteries we can find, what we can clean up.
Maybe some lost skis.
Maybe.
First find is from an alien spaceship.
What is that? G3F3 1970. No idea what that is, but it is unique, honey. Good job.
Alien spaceship, we'll go with.
There we go. Here, I'll just... Wow. It's an old Chevy hubcap, I think. Yeah, Chevrolet got one just like this at home.
Metal?
Metal, yeah. First full bottle right here. So it's underwear? Oh, they are.
What's this?
I don't know. Some kind of pipe. There's another one right down here by your foot.
It was scared up, I couldn't see.
Oh, you got ponds here. Wow.
That did feel better.
Oh, look at that. Pepsi Cola.
Kitty bottle. I know a kitty bottle when I see one.
Yeah. All we did was start right here. We already got all this stuff. We got another mile to go yet.
I thought it was bigger.
Another bottle.
Sun drop.
No way. Are you sure?
A kiss of lime, a kiss of lemon, a kiss of lime.
Could be right.
Oh, it's sun drop.
It's hard to tell, honey. Okay. You're just finding these things left and right. Wow. Huh. It says Party Pack, property of Knee High Bottle Co.
Never heard of that.
Me either. Tire number 2. Way to stir up the river here. Oh, pretty neat. Yeah, you can drop it. Light or something. Holy bottles. Right here. Whoa, nice, huh? Very nice. Good ink well.
Really? Lover.
Oh,
Like the alien saucers.
oh wow.
It probably goes with that alien life form thing.
Saucers. Oh no, it says sours, honey.
Aww.
Not saucers. It's a real, actual, cool shell from the ocean.
For real?
What's it doing in the Iron River? It's cool. Wow.
Oh, look.
Whoa, it's a nice, cool little guy.
Oh, it sure is.
Got a bigger one.
Not competition, lover.
Nope.
Love the little guys.
Another ink well. This whole thing is full of glass.
Look at it, look at it.
Score. This one's intact. Whoa, look at this little cutie.
It's like you.
It's gold.
Like you.
What?
Don't lose that.
Try my
Right,
best.
buy it.
Okay. Another little medicine bottle. These things are everywhere. Got about 10 of them so far.
There you go, Poppy.
One's broken.
Like, that's a cool one.
All right, our new part of the family, river family.
Oh. That's awful.
That is scary. Look at that thing.
Oh my God. That's
It's like
awful.
Chucky.
That's worse than Crandon.
Oh, yuck. That's a good grab. Oh, no. A deer antler. Sweet. Well, that's a first. Just found the other deer antler also. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Look at that one. Oh. I wish I had my kayak here, but it's kind of stuck way back there.
Yeah, I seen all your stuff. Like, I was just talking about you. I seen your thing on about the supper club last night.
Oh, okay. Yeah, a couple here and there. We already got one full kayak load. It's all unloaded. I just wanted to go for a couple more minutes, but here I am, half hour later. The residential areas are pretty packed. I just found a marble for both of you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I'll toss them right there.
Right, thank you.
You can see them both? There.
Thank you.
No problem. Christie was a little cold, and I said, she said, you can go for a little bit more. When she finds out I found all these, she's gonna be mad. You can see the post-dive video of this cleanup further down on the page. It was fun being in Iron River, Michigan.